next important topic is second order derivative. Now what second order derivative is? If we are having, suppose we are having, let y is equal to fx. Now differentiating this with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we are writing dy by dx is equal to f derivative x. Now if f derivative x is a differentiable function, no? If f derivative x is a differentiable function, then differentiating it again, the left hand side, this can be differentiated, no doubt. So the left hand side becomes, now what left hand side becomes? Differentiation, this is derivative function and we are differentiating again, then differentiating it again, we are getting d by dx of dy by dx. So this will be written as f double derivative of x. It is already differentiated, now it will be differentiated like this. And to this part what we are going to write? Double derivative of x, y. This can be written as d2y. Normally it is spoken like this, d2y upon dx square, okay, but best thing is that this is a double derivative, okay. Sometimes in many books it is written like this, d2 of y, okay. F double derivative we have already written as f double derivative, it is written as y2 also, okay. So basically they are mentioning that what we have to do, what type of differentiation they have given to us. Now let's move with some simple examples.